Dust mopping cloth replacement and cleaning instructions. The cloth and plate are sticked together and installed at the rear bottom of the robot. The plate is connected to the robot by 4 magnetic buckles and descend to ground in dust mopping mode. Hold both sides of the plate, press it down, and remove the assembly. Remove the replacement mopping cloth. Roll up the cloth and put it in a cleaning area. Install a new cloth on the plate. Insert the dust mop buckle into the 2 grooves. Clean the removed cloth with detergent. Hang it up to dry.